How's everybody doing today, Keto family? Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a keto bread loaf from scratch. I'm going to show you how to make this, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. All right, let me show you how to make this keto bread loaf from scratch. All right, here we go. All right, let's start off with our dry ingredients. 1.5 cups of ground walnuts, a 1/2 cup of psyllium husk, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of arrowroot starch, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. And mix it till combined. Alright, now to add the wet ingredients. 1.5 cups of hot water, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 3 eggs, and mix until combined. Alright, it's been mixed sufficiently. Now let's let it rest for approximately 10 minutes before placing into our baking tin for the oven. Alright, we have our baking tin here, and we have our parchment paper. Place it in the center, and we're going to put our dough right on top of the parchment paper. And with some wet hands, just mold the dough into a loaf shape. Take a look at that bread, nicely uniform. Now we're just going to add some sesame seeds to the top. Perfect. Now let's place this into the oven, preheating at 375 degrees for approximately 1 hour. Alright, 1 hour later, look at this bread. It looks amazing. Look at that. Looks like a real loaf of bread. Alright, so we're going to let this rest for approximately 1 hour before we slice into it. Alright, take a look at this bread. It's been about an hour, so now we're going to put it on a chopping board and slice it very thinly. Alright, take a look at this bread. Beautiful. Beautiful bread. Take a look at that bread loaf. Just like real bread. All right, let's slice it up. Wow, take a look at that bread. All right, look at this bread. It looks amazing, smells incredible. The texture looks on point. I can't wait to try it. I'm gonna try one of the ends. Man, that is so good. If you were to tell me that each slice of this bread was 1 net carb, I wouldn't believe you. I'd say you're crazy. That is good. Now this bread would go great with sandwiches. If you just want to put butter on it, it'll go great with butter. It'll go great plain all by itself. This bread is incredible. At this point, there was no reason for me to go out and buy bread when I could make my own keto bread with 1 net carb per slice. Can't go wrong. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 recipes I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you could enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your day. Metroid signing out.